Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Onewheel to its app. First, download the official Onewheel app from your device's app store. Make sure your Onewheel is powered on and fully charged, ideally to 100%. Then, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, ensuring all components are ready to communicate effectively. Once the app is installed, open it and grant any necessary permissions it requests. Look for an option like Connect to Onewheel or Pair Device within the app's interface. Your Onewheel should appear in a list of available devices. Select your board to initiate the pairing process. This step establishes the direct link between your mobile device and your Onewheel. After selecting your Onewheel, the app should display its status, including the current battery level, often shown as a percentage. Now you can explore and customize your ride. Adjust settings like carvability and stance response to fine-tune your experience. You can save several personalized ride profiles, perhaps 3 or 4, for different riding styles. This allows for quick switching between preferences. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both your Onewheel and your mobile device. Also, ensure your Onewheel's firmware is up to date through the app settings. Outdated firmware can cause problems. Finally, attempt to connect in an area with minimal wireless interference, perhaps 10 feet away from other electronics. These simple steps resolve most common pairing difficulties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.